To get started, I've added a new video clip into my timeline here that I want to fade in and fade out. Now probably the easiest way to do this is to hover over the start of your clip, right click and press Apply Default Transitions. And what this will do is, if we zoom in here, you can see that it's added a cross dissolve to my video and also a cross dissolve to my audio here. Now you can also do that to the end of your clip too. And if we zoom in down the bottom here, we can see it's done the same thing. Now you can simply grab the end of that transition there and drag it outward to increase the time of the fade. And you can also do the same for the audio. You can make it shorter or longer. And you can do the same with the start as well. You can drag them, you can make them longer or shorter. And as you can see here, we play that back on our screen. Gives us a nice little fade in and also a nice fade out. Now if you don't want the audio to fade out, you can simply select that transition and delete it. But if you did want an easy way to do just the video, you can come up here to the effects panel, go to video transitions, click on dissolve, and you can see here there is a cross dissolve transition, which if we delete this dissolve here, we can simply drag this cross dissolve onto the video here and it will add on the fade to our video only. And the same thing works here. You can drag the transition out to increase its time or duration. That's just about all there is to fading video and audio in and out in Premiere Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.